Hey guys, this is Fundo on Chuphakama. Tonight on Imbewu, Sbongile makes a decision to leave the Beng family, and everyone is confused. Where is Sbongile? They try to call Sbongile, but Sbongile ignored the calls of the Beng family. While Shira is conflicted when Mira reveals she is back to tell Nairobi the truth about her fake pregnancy. But Shira, it seems like, is jealous on Mira that he will bond again with her mother. We end on Kulego, who found Mandisa in Makosazana room and found this stranger. After the waiter tell Kulego that Makosazana is sick, and Kulego does not believe the waiter, but he tries to find her on her room. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Yeah, for thanks.